In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the WooCommerce checkout page not working. If you're running an online store, you know how important the checkout process is. It's the final step in turning your visitors into paying customers. But when the checkout page isn't working as expected, it can feel like a major roadblock. Don't worry, today I'll walk you through a series of simple but effective steps to identify and resolve the issue. By the end of this video, you'll have your checkout page back up and running smoothly so you can keep your business moving forward. All right, let's dive in. The first step is to log in to your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub where all the magic happens. It's where you can manage your WooCommerce store and troubleshoot any problems. Once you've logged in, head over to the WooCommerce menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard and click on Settings here. You'll find all the configuration options for your store. Next, click on the Advanced tab. This is where you can assign key pages for your store, like the cart and checkout pages. Check to see if the checkout page is properly assigned. If it's not, you'll need to assign it manually. It's also a good idea to confirm that the cart page is assigned as well, as these two pages often work together. Now let's make sure that the assigned pages actually exist. Navigate to your Pages section in WordPress and look for the checkout page. If you can't find it or if it's in the trash, that's likely part of the problem. Restore the page if it's in the trash, or create a new one and assign it as your checkout page. Once you've located your checkout page, open it in the WordPress editor. This page should contain the default WooCommerce shortcode for the checkout process. If it doesn't, you can restore it by adding the shortcode WooCommerce. After restoring or verifying the content, make sure to update the page so the changes take effect. Next, we're going to check your Permalink settings. Head to Settings in the WordPress menu and click on Permalinks. Here, you'll want to choose the post name structure or any other pretty permalink option rather than the plain setting. Pretty permalinks are much more user-friendly and are often required for WooCommerce to function properly. Once you've selected your desired structure, click Save Changes. This will refresh your WordPress rewrite rules, which can help resolve certain issues. Now, let's rule out potential plugin conflicts. Temporarily deactivate all plugins except for WooCommerce. To do this, go to the Plugins section, select All Plugins, uncheck WooCommerce, and then choose Deactivate from the Bulk Actions dropdown. Once deactivated, open your site in a private or incognito browser window and test the checkout page. If it works now, you'll know that one of your plugins is causing the issue. To pinpoint the problematic plugin, reactivate your plugins one at a time, testing the checkout page after each activation. This process might take a bit of time, but it's an effective way to identify conflicts. After testing for plugin conflicts, it's time to clear all caches. If your hosting provider offers a server cache, clear that first. Then clear any caching plugins you use on your site. Don't forget to clear your browser caches as well. If you're using a content delivery network or CDN, such as Cloudflare, make sure to purge the CDN cache too. Caching issues are a common cause of pages not loading properly, so this step is critical. Next, make sure everything is up to date. Update your WordPress core, WooCommerce plugin, your theme, and any WooCommerce related extensions. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues, so keeping everything current is a best practice. Finally, run a test checkout using a test product. Add the product to your cart, go to the checkout page, and complete the process. If everything is working as it should, congratulations. You've successfully fixed your WooCommerce checkout page. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel, and you'll get notified about more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.